If you like killer Fox bodies that are supercharged with over 400 foot-pounds of torque and almost 500 at the tires, and bonus, a daughter-father project, then you're gonna love this one today, guys, because man, we have got an Outfox GT right for you here on the channel. Welcome to Gearhead 704. I'm Matt, and guys, we are at Foxtoberfest 2023. You can probably hear the music blasting over there, but I'm doing a little car review. You guys know I like to do that. And today, which we have, is a pretty cool project. I've known these guys for a little while. So this is the car right here, but I'm gonna go ahead and through the power of YouTube editing, I'm gonna bring the owners in. Well, I don't know if they're owners, but there's two of them. I'm gonna bring them in 3, 2, 1. Oh, and just like that, you've arrived. Jason and Haley, welcome to the channel.
Thank you, Matt.
Yeah, and they, guys, they've actually, I met them at Chocolate Fox the first year, which I think was like 2019, 4 years ago. So, you know, you look about the same, Jason.
Thank you.
Yeah, Haley, you've gotten a little older. So that's cool though. But yeah, I saw you guys and it was awesome. We had a good time, and I've always seen this car, and every year he shows up at the shows, they show up together. They go to all the shows together, actually, don't you? You guys do all the car shows together, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah, which ones did you do this year? Did you do Chocolate Fox?
Chocolate Fox, we did Carlisle. Those were the two big ones.
Okay, and Foxtoberfest. Correct. Which one's your favorite, Haley, of all the shows? Foxtober, that's right. Foxtoberfest, she knows that because it's all the best. It's just Fox bodies. But yeah, let's talk a little bit about this car here, guys. So, Jason, you were telling me you guys got it, what, back in 2016?
2016.
Okay, and at the time, did it look anything like this at all?
No.
No.
It was red. It was lipstick red.
Wow. So it didn't even have like any of the black and all that?
Nope. It was,
okay.
Clear coat was peeling off of it.
Oh.
Total mess.
Okay, so what would you say is the color on this now?
This is ruby red.
Ruby red, okay, we love the ruby red, and it wasn't lowered or anything, right?
It was not. Nope.
Okay, they had one little goodie on it. That was the supercharger, right?
Supercharger.
Yeah, so was the engine pretty much like it is now, or no, just the supercharger?
No, just the supercharger was on.
All right, we're gonna get into that in a second, but yeah, talk me a little bit through the outside transformation of the car. Like, where, I guess we should start over. Where did you start with the project? What was the first thing you tried to get going?
Paint.
Paint, yeah.
Which was probably the wrong thing to do.
Well, you know what's funny? I did the paint on my car, right? The blue one, and I needed the engine too, so I started the wrong way as well.
Yep.
Hey, it's what we do though. So the paint, all right. You got ruby red now. What about the hood here?
The hood is an LMR steel hood.
What is this? Is this painted as well?
Painted, yep.
Okay, so it's just the black, and you don't have black stripes all the way back, right?
Nope.
No, okay. And actually, we forgot something. Why Brittany's oops and did it again. Forgot to show them the walk-around cinematic of the car. So we'll go ahead and do that real quick, and we'll catch up with you guys. Okay, so the first thing you wanted to do was the paint, and did you do any of the body part panels this time? Like I see, what is this, a front splitter? Is this Carter Customs?
Yesterday.
Oh, you put it on yesterday?
Yeah.
How did I not know that? Because, okay, well, it looks great. So we didn't start there, but yeah, okay, and you got the hood done, and that's just black, I guess?
That's just black, jet black.
Jet black, okay. Now, as far as the Celine wing?
Celine wing, yep.
Okay, and did that happen at the same time as paint originally?
Same as paint, correct. It had the GT wing on it. We swapped it with that.
Okay, so you had the GT wing, and is it originally a GT? It is, right?
It is, correct.
Okay, 91, because as you guys can see there on Instagram, Outfox GT. No, it's not a 91. Why do I think it's a 91?
It is a 91.
Hey, I guess right. You must have told me at some point.
We did have that conversation.
Okay, maybe that was why. It used to have different wheels. You just put these on recently, right?
Those are the same. I went down a rabbit hole with the saline wheels.
Okay.
Playing with different colors.
Okay, so these are actually the same wheels. Would you have them powder coated or
powder
something?
coated?
I like them. He asked me already, guys, what I thought, and I preferred this one, but what do you think? Which one did you like better? You do too? Okay. Yeah, I think she's got it right. Yeah, I prefer it because it stands out more. Stands out more. All right, well, let's talk about, yeah, the taillights. Did it have the cheese graters when you got it?
It did have the cheese graters.
Okay.
So we swapped to the LX.
Yeah, because who wants to paint cheese graters,
exactly.
Right?
And we just put those on yesterday in the parking lot at the hotel.
Did you? Okay. These are cool. Now, the cheese graters, you haven't had this for a long time.
No, they were LX.
You had a different LX. Okay, and these are the clears?
clear as
All right, and then this is a massive diffuser. How long has this been on?
That's been on about a year now.
Okay, is that a Carter Customs as well?
Carter's Customs.
Okay, yeah, that's mostly what you have on your car, right? Okay. Now, why out Fox? Why is it sounding cool?
It just sounded cool.
Okay.
That was it.
Sometimes that's what you got to go with.
That's it.
That's what you got to go with. Some also shout outs. I see you had the Real FOXBODY Addicts.
That's right,
That's Facebook
Jason.
group, right?
Yep.
Yeah, there's Jason. Yeah, he's in the. I'm in your group, Jason. Sorry, I forgot that was you. And you got 5-0 Asylum.
5-0
And
Asylums.
they have bought Gearhead stuff before, so I appreciate
We
it.
have it.
Yeah, and y'all didn't know we were doing the video, so I would have made him wear it otherwise, guys. But all right, let's go ahead and talk about the interior. Well, are you happy with how the paint came out? I love it.
I am happy with the paint, yes.
Yeah. You like the color too? Did you get input on to pick part of the color? You did? Okay.
She actually picked the color.
You did. Well, you did awesome. I didn't. You know, I was giving you the credit. Get out of here, Jason.
I was
it's all Haley.
I was gonna do blue, and she went with the ruby red.
Well, I'm glad you didn't blue because I'm the king of blue, and you know, in my opinion, not really. I'm joking, guys. Okay, well, let's talk in the interior and get away from that music for a second. Now, this can in here is my doing. I'm actually, just to help you guys with noise, I'm gonna actually close my door to shut that off. All right, but you're fine. No, you can leave yours open. Yeah, we're good. All right, so I'm looking in here, and this is one of my favorite things about this car, guys, is all the carbon fiber we have everywhere. What's up with that?
I wanted to do something different. I tried wrapping it and failed multiple times. Haley found a guy in New Jersey that does custom hydro dipping, and she took it apart, and we went down to Jersey.
She took it apart.
She took what we helped. I helped.
Haley, you took this interior apart.
Yeah.
Guys, get your daughters helping out. I mean, that's awesome. I got my daughter, she actually replaced a fuel pump yesterday.
Awesome.
Yeah, I mean, she had help, right?
Well,
And you need help.
I need help.
I need help. We all need help. Well, she did a great job. So she helped under instruction. She pulled all the interior apart, and he dipped all these pieces. Got the dash pad.
All dipped.
Yeah. So what are we looking at? Every piece, like steering column, instrument cluster housing.
Kick panel.
Okay. Oh yeah.
Center
Oh,
console.
look at the cup holders, and yep, we got the armrest. Oh, yours actually works. Nice. And does
Door
your
handles, the sill on the bottom.
Oh, I didn't. Yeah, I didn't see that. That's awesome. Okay, it looks great. Now the color theme, you went with black and red in here as well.
Black and red. Yep.
Yeah. Okay. Back seat is nice. Oh, look, you got red lighting up here.
Yeah.
Dude, you're all themed out. Is the map light up?
No.
All right, we can cut that. Look at all the keychains you got too. Oh, you got one that says Out Fox.
Out Fox.
That's awesome, dude. We are looking at a manual transmission.
T5, stock T5 for right now.
It's still the stock T5.
It's holding up.
How is it holding up?
It's holding up.
Okay,
Right
all right, we'll see about that. Oh, and guys, real quick, they won an award here today too. Found this in your car.
That's it.
That's pretty cool. Actually, they were giving these out at the show. Apparently, or I don't know, somebody gets given out, and they loved your car almost as much as me. I want to do a video of it. They said, look at that. That's
That
pretty
would
cool.
be awesome.
I know, I want one of those. All right, well, I love how the interior turns out. It perfectly fits the car, and I think they saw on the cinematic the seats. But I just want to show it to them real quick if I don't break your car
That's
getting out.
good.
Because these are Corbos, right?
Corbos. We had the plain black Corbos. I forget what the number is. And then they came out with these, so we went with those.
Okay, I just noticed too, I meant that you got the carbon fiber down here too.
Correct, yep.
And with the badge, 5.0 badge.
But not this.
Not the special badge. Yeah, so we got to show the special badge. They pointed out last year. You guys might have seen them on the video at Foxtoberfest. Check it out. Got a little fox for the O. That's pretty cool, man. Whose idea was that? Team effort. It's always a team effort. I love it. You know, neither one of them will really claim anything. All right. Well, it says 302. It's not a 302,
That's
is it?
false advertisement.
Yes, we like that. Just like this video. You know, I probably had all kinds of false advertising to get clicks. That's what it's all about. But it's mainly true for me. Okay, well, let's go ahead and pop the hood and get under here and take a look. By the way, I do like the blacked out as well. You got the Cobra Grill insert.
That was my idea. That wasn't him.
All right. Hey, so we got one idea for you, one idea for you. Although I'm telling you, she wins because hers with the paint. But anyway, oh look, you even have the Instagram right there. All right, the super clean engine bay, guys. Paxton Supercharged. Probably one of the favorite things for me about it, they already told me, was this is not, what do you call it, everybody does. It's not a Skyride panel.
Hand twisted metal.
Hand twisted metal. So you had a lot of problems getting the car to run, right? Yeah, I guess start me out with that. It came with a Paxton, but what else was it? Was it a 302 back then?
It was a 302. I'm sorry, it was a 306.
It was, okay.
Yes.
Have you had to rebuild the engine or anything?
We did heads. We got the Edelbrock Performer heads on it that have been ported.
Ported, nice.
Yep.
Now, the intake manifold, was that already on there as well?
That was on there. To try to
Okay.
keep, yep,
What heads were on it, do you remember?
Stock.
Just stock heads.
Stock
Oh, I was choking it down
Yep.
big time, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Paxton, what kind of cam's in it?
It's the B303.
The B3, I love a B cam.
B cam up.
It has a nice little chop. Yeah, you remember that from Brutal.
Yep.
V-Cam Mafia, what do you think about the cam sound, Haley? Does it sound good?
Yeah.
You love it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's my favorite thing about Fox bodies. Either that or the paint. My car's paint.
It's a push rod sound. I love it.
Yeah, yeah. Would you guys ever put a Coyote in it?
No.
I like how you immediately said no. Like, nope. Bye-bye to Cody. Bye-bye-bye. All right, sorry. I'm hearing the music over there, guys. Okay. We know what the heads cams are. Is it long tubes? No, it's just shorties. Okay.
Shorty.
You had a tune on this? Is it still the stock computer?
It's the A9L with a quarter horse chip. It's tuned by Paxton Supercharged, Poland, New York. A friend that I met last year at a car show.
Okay.
Who got the car working for us.
Okay.
Yep.
Also, because it's been a long journey with this, guys. So if you have a project at home that you can't get quite running, and this is a good example of stick with it. Because it was about 6 years before you got it running right, right?
It just started. We just got it running this year.
Wow.
Yep.
Yeah, and you kind of limp it along, right?
Limped it along. Trailered it everywhere just to go to shows and do something with it.
Right. Finally working. Finally working. Well, you know what I think we got to do? We got to hear a little startup. Am I still recording? I am. Sorry, guys. My camera's not completed. Let's hear the cam a little bit. Let's get tired of that music. And Haley start up.
Go ahead, Haley.
All right. All right, because she drives it, right?
She does drive.
All right. Let's listen to this cam lope a little bit. Over in sync. Driving me crazy. Listen to that chop. You look like you've done that before. Oh, she sounds so good. Man, those V-cams, those alphabet cams, they just have the right lope. You never had to have it rebuilt, right, the engine?
No.
No?
It's solid.
So basically you just had the heads put on and...
Heads put on, the track key put on, and
Yeah.
tuned it.
Yeah. Well, the engine bay is beautiful. I love that. And then listen to that chop. Jason, you think we can get a little rev? Can you get in there and rev it up a little bit? All right. I know you could too, Haley, but I give each of y'all equal opportunity, you know? Yeah. One more, go. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. That's the best thing about first ride.
That's it, love it.
You're not gonna do that Cody, are you?
Can't hear that in a Coyote.
Awesome. All right, that sounds good. Sounds like a Fox body to me. Let's look at one more thing here, because the logo of the car you were just telling me is designed by Hicks House Videos?
Correct.
Yeah, Brant has some talent, so let's give him a look at this. It's kind of cool. I always forget in a hatchback, I'm used to coupes and convertibles. There we go. Check that out, guys. Outfoxed, looking good, and that's not the only place the logo is.
It's not.
Where else do we have? What did your dad do? What did he do?
It's tattooed on my leg.
Hey, there you go. Y'all didn't do matching on this? No? I don't know. Well, you got a tattoo. That's cool.
We did do matching tattoos.
Did you?
The car with the 5.0 logo.
Oh, really?
Same one.
No way! Oh, that is so cool. Father and daughter matching tattoos. Oh, with a 5.0. Okay. If this video doesn't get likes for that, I don't know why. Hit the like button for that, because that's so cool. All right. Well, I love the car. Obviously, we forgot to say the dyno numbers. What did it make at the wheels?
471, 418 torque.
Yeah, so that's a lot of power. Well over 500 at the motor, I would think, with 471 at the rear. And I don't know if that T5 is going to hold up much longer. So, and there's Jen. All right. So anyway, they're wrapping up here. But the last thing I did want to ask, guys, is what was your favorite thing about doing this project with your daughter?
Spending time with her.
Love it. Love it, because you never get to go back, you know?
She's going to be 20 at the end of the month.
Oh, man. Quick. See, like us, we just stay old. I don't know how you feel. I feel like we just stay old.
Getting worse every day.
But our kids, we can live a little bit through them and get to see them how to grow up. So, all right. And Haley, what's your favorite thing about this whole thing you've done with your dad? Is it just going to the shows, spend time with dad?
Like going to shows.
Yeah? Yeah. Because y'all get to do it together. Well, I love it. I love it. Well, now I got you both in frame. So anyway, yeah, give each other a hug. You did a good job on this project. There we go. I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video too. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're stopping in for the first time, please subscribe. And that's it. We'll see you here next time on Gearhead 704. And a bonus, my father, I messed that up. That's a blooper. That's a bonus blooper. All right, so y'all can see how the magic's all made right here. Father, son, daughter project. Father, son. What am I saying? Father, son. You got a son and a daughter? Jesus, I don't know what to say. All right. Can I be your son for the video?
Let's do it.
All right. It's music and stuff? Okay. All right. I'm going to take 3. Wow. And now they crank the music. Okay. Oh, wait. Who's this coming? See, they're going to mess with me. I know it. I know they're going to mess with me. See, I knew it. I knew it. I don't even need to keep filming. Oh, hi. How you doing? I had no idea that you were going to mess with me. I wasn't in the middle of it at all. Look what I do. It's amazing I put out any content at all. Daggum. Fox Resto. Shout out to Fox Resto. Ellis Swap the World, Sam.
2J Swap, we're past Ellis, is 2J.
All right, this is what I deal with. That's what I deal with. Can you believe this? I was requested by MJI83T to remove the Chevy. You know, he's always hassling me. He's like, you can't shoot here, son. That's a Chevy. That's a Chevy right there. You can't do that on Gearhead 704. Yo, wait, I didn't snap long enough. I'm off my game, guys. All right. 3, 2, 1. Walk us well. Now we got the airplane going above. You know, Haley was, this would be for the bloopers. Haley was worried a little bit that she was going to be like messing up the video. No, it's the environment that's messing up the video. All right, I'm messing up this video. Anyway, so you know, which way am I going? Here. And I hope I don't have many more bloopers. Yeah, Haley, your dad was worried that his car wasn't cool enough. Look at this audience he's attracting. He's like, you were worried the car wasn't cool enough and they're demanding that you turn it on and rev it. See, Jason, I told you, Out Fox GT, he's good. It's good stuff.